A very good morning, class 4. Students of class 4, a very good morning, children. Welcome back to my class. Students, today we are going to discuss about English Marigold chapter number 14. And the name of the chapter is The Scholar's Mother Tongue. First of all, let us try to understand the heading written here. What is written here? Let's try to understand the heading of the chapter. What do you mean by scholar? First of all, scholars. Scholars means highly educated person. Highly educated. Highly educated person. And what do you mean by mother tongue? Mother tongue. What do you understand by mother tongue? Mother tongue means the language that we speak from childhood. The language that we speak that we speak at home from childhood. From childhood. I hope you understand the heading means the topic. Students, is it clear? What do you understand by scholar? Scholar means highly educated person. बहुत पढ़ा लिखा व्यक्ति. Okay, clear everyone? Show me your thumb. Is it clear? Students, scholar means highly educated person. And what do you understand by mother tongue? Mother tongue means the language that we speak at home. The language जो भाषा हम घर पे use करते हैं. That is called mother tongue. From our childhood, बचपन से जो जिस भाषा से हम अपने घर में communicate करते हैं मम्मी पापा से, that is called mother tongue. Okay, clear? Now let us discuss about. First of all, students, I hope you have the book with you. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Whatever you can see in the picture, can and now let me inform you. There is a king. There are some courtiers. What do you mean by courtiers? Courtiers means the uh, courtiers means the one who gives suggestions to the king. And you can see one pandit is there. What do you mean by pandit? Pandit means priest. Okay, priest. Fine, students. Now let us read the story first, along with the explanations. Now listen carefully. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. Now come to the explanation of the first paragraph. Students, look here. A learned Pandit. What do you understand by learned Pandit? Learned Pandit means having acquired much knowledge through study. एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो उसके पास बहुत सारा ज्ञान हो. Learned. Pandit means priest. Okay. Pandit means priest. I hope you know what is Pandit. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. I hope you have already gone through or listened many stories of Akbar and Birbal. अकबर और बिरबल के बारे में आपने बहुत सारी कहानियां सुनी होंगी. आज एक और कहानी आपके सामने आ रही है. A learned Pandit visited. What do you mean by visited? Visited means भ्रमण करना या हो आना. ओके, एक समय की बात है, एक पढ़ा लिखा व्यक्ति, एक पंडित अकबर के दरबार में गया. He went to the court of the Akbar. He told the king and his courtier. What do you mean by courtier? Courtier means the darbari, an advisor. What? An advisor to the king or queen. A person who always advises the king. That is called what? Courtiers. He told that he had mastery over different languages. The Pandit said in the court of the Akbar that he had mastery over several languages. The Pandit was able to speak in many languages. I and you, we can say that I know how to speak in Bhojpuri, I know how to speak in Hindi and English. 3 languages. But here the Pandit is saying that he can speak many different languages. He has a mastery over lots of languages. वो पंडित ये कह रहा है कि वो बहुत सारी भाषाओं को जानता है. Next, I hope the first paragraph it is clear. Everyone, show me your thumb. Once upon a time, a Pandit visited to Akbar and he told the king that he had mastery over several languages. Clear? Students, is it clear? Show me your thumb. First paragraph, is it clear? Once upon a time, a pandit, a learned pandit visited means who आना या गया, where, court. What do you mean by court? Court is a place where crimes are judged. Court का मतलब दरबार. एक समय की बात है, एक पढ़ा लिखा पंडित, एक विद्वान पंडित अकबर के दरबार में गया और उसने कहा सबसे कि मेरे पास मास्टरी है. व्हाट डू मीन बाय मास्टरी? मास्टरी मीन्स श्रेष्ठा, श्रेष्ठता, श्रेष्ठा. You can say having skill in particular subject or activity. Having skill in particular subject or activity. And he said that he had mastery over different languages. The Pandit could speak, next paragraph, the Pandit could speak many languages fluently. What do you mean by fluently? Fluently means ability to express easily. Bina rukawat ke. Bina rukawat ke. Fluently. Students, listen carefully. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. The Pandit was able to speak many languages fluently. वो बहुत सारी भाषाओं को बिना रुके बोल सकता था. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. The Pandit was so learned that no one could find out that what is his mother tongue. Means the way he speaks. जिस तरीके से वो इतनी आसानी से किसी भी लैंग्वेज को बोल पा रहा था, it was not easy for anyone to find out his mother language. What do you mean by mother tongue? The language that we speak at home from childhood. एक ऐसी भाषा जो हम बचपन से अपने घर में बोलते हुए आ रहे हैं. Like here in our area particularly we speak Bhojpuri. Okay, am I right students? आप भोजपुरी बोलते हो. But it was not easy to find out that इसकी mother tongue क्या थी. What was the mother tongue of the Pandit? That learned Pandit, because he was able to speak all the languages, many languages fluently, bina rukawat ke, bina hichkichahat ke. Okay, like while I'm speaking in English, you can see some of the words comes out in my mother tongue. कुछ ऐसी भाषाएं होती है, कुछ अपनी language जो है ना दूसरे भाषाओं में आ जाती है. Whenever I'm speaking in English, you can find some words that oh I belong from UP and I can my language is Bhojpuri. Whenever I'm speaking in English, sometimes it's difficult to find out if I speak so fluently or if anybody speaks so fluently, it is very difficult to find out that what is his or her mother language or mother tongue. So once a learned Pandit visited the court, the Darbar of Akbar, and he said that he has a mastery over many languages. He can speak different languages fluently. He can speak so fluently that it was not possible for anyone to find out that what was the mother tongue or mother language of the Pandit. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. Wow, look here, the Pandit is challenging. In Darbar mein Pandit ne challenge, chunoti di. Challenge means what? Chunoti dena. Okay, something that puts you to test. In which meaning you can say something that puts you to test. Means chunoti. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. That Pandit, he came to the Akbar's Darbar, the court, and he is challenging everyone that I'm challenging all of you. Can anybody among you can name what is my mother tongue? आप में से कोई मेरी मातृभाषा mother tongue बता सकता है? Now let us see. Everyone tried. Everyone in the court, they tried saying that your mother tongue is Hindi, Bhojpuri, Punjabi, Marathi. Many of them they tried. But when everyone felt, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. Yes, I hope you know the name Birbal. आपने नाम सुना होगा. Birbal. Yes, the most clever courtiers of the King Akbar. सबसे बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति. When everyone felt, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. Everyone felt. सब लोग failed हो गए. कोई ये नहीं बता पाया कि उसकी mother tongue क्या है. What was his mother tongue? When everyone fell, the challenge was taken by Birbal. अब Birbal ने उस चुनौती को स्वीकार किया कि he is going to tell that what is your mother tongue. Now, that night, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. Now, students, there are some words. What do you mean by whispered? Whispered means कान में धीरे से बोलना. कान में धीरे से बोलना, टू स्पीक वेरी सॉफ्टली और इन लो टोन, धीरे से बोलना, ओके, कान में धीरे से बोलना, इट्स कॉल्ड whispered. And what do you mean by tickled? Tickled means a light touch that makes you love. एक हल्की सी छुअन जिससे आपको गुदगुदी महसूस होती हो, आप हंसने लगे, ऐसा मतलब ऐसा छुअन जिससे किसी को हंसी आ जाए, that is called tickled. Okay, now look here. That night, the Birbal took the challenge that he is going to tell that what was the mother tongue of the Pandit. And that night, Birbal went to the house, the room of the Pandit, quietly. धीरे से वो पंडित के घर गया, रात में जब वो सो रहा था. While the Pandit was asleep, Birbal went to the Pandit's room and whispered into the Pandit's ear. Check करने के लिए whether the Pandit is sleeping or he is awake. बिरबल ने उसके कान में धीरे से विस्पर्ड किया. विस्पर्ड इसलिए किया ताकि वो चेक कर सके, इन ऑर्डर टू चेक हिम वेदर द पंडित इज अस्लीप और ही इज अवेक. आफ्टर फाइनल कंफर्मेशन, जब फाइनल कंफर्मेशन मिल गया बिरबल को कि पंडित सो रहा है, द पंडित इज अस्लीप, व्हाट डिड बिरबल डिड? बिरबल देन व्हाट ही डिड, ही टिकल्ड विद अ फेदर इन हिज ईयर. फेदर का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? पंख, पर. You have seen feather of a bird. You can see here, students, in the picture. This is called feather. Here, last, you can see one feather. Here, Birbal is taking one. He has taken one feather, and he is tickling in his ear. Tickling means उसके कान में गुदगुदा रहा था उस feather से, पंख से लेकर के. सोते हुए व्यक्ति के नाक पे, मूंछ पे आप एक बार काम, you tried, take one feather and see, you will start laughing. आपको हंसी आएगी उसकी facial expression से, right now. So here Birbal, he tickled with a feather in the Pandit's ear. The Pandit half awake, मतलब आधा जगा, पूरा नहीं जगा, half awake, and cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. The Pandit was half asleep and he cried out. half, आधा जगा था, अधमरा की तरह, आधा जगा हुआ था और आधा सोया हुआ था. And he spoke out the words, he shouted the words in his own mother tongue. Birbal came to the court the next day and told everyone that the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. The Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Look here, students. Telugu. The Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Okay, students. पंडित का जो मदर टंग था, उसकी जो बचपन की जो भाषा जो घर पे वो बोलता था, वो तेलुगु था. हाउ डिड बिरबल फाइंड आउट? बिरबल ने कैसे पता लगाया? बिरबल वेंट टू द पंडित रूम that night or one night and he whispered in his ear and he tickled with a feather. Then the pandit, what he did, he shouted, he cried, means he shouted in his own mother tongue. Then Birbal came to know that, oh, the language, the mother tongue of the Pandit was Telugu. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. Yes, the Pandit, he was surprised that, oh, he was surprised. उसे बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ कि बिरबल ने कैसे पता लगा लिया. How did Birbal came to know that my mother language is Telugu? मेरी मदर लैंग्वेज, मातृभाषा जो है तेलुगु है, ये बिरबल को कैसे पता चला? हाउ डिड बिरबल फाइंड आउट? I had a mastery over several languages and I can speak many languages fluently. मैं इतनी सारी भाषाओं को जानता हूँ, मैं सारी भाषाओं को बिना रुकावट और बिना झिक-झिक के फ्लुएंटली बोल सकता हूँ. फिर भी बिरबल ने ये कैसे पता लगा लिया कि मेरी जो भाषा है, मदर टंग जो है, वो तेलुगु है? He was surprised and he accepted the truth. और उसने सच्चाई को स्वीकार किया. भरे दरबार में he accepted in the court that yes, Birbal is saying the truth, that my mother tongue is Telugu. My mother tongue is Telugu. Okay. King Akbar then asked Birbal, how did you find out the truth? Now Birbal started, the King Akbar. The King Akbar means the Raja, the King, he started asking Birbal, how did you find out the truth? अकबर ने बिरबल से पूछा कि बिरबल ये बताओ तुमने सच्चाई का पता कैसे लगाया? नेक्स्ट, बिरबल आंसर्ड, in times of difficulty a person speaks only in his mother tongue. Very good. Yes, very factless sentences or a very true lines. It's written here that in times of difficulties, a person always speaks in his own mother tongue. जब भी व्यक्ति किसी कठिनाई में होता है तो उसके जुबान से हमेशा इंग्लिश नहीं आएगी. अगर मैं कठिनाई में रहूंगा तो आई विल नॉट स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, आई विल स्पीक इन माई ओन लैंग्वेज भोजपुरी. यस, टेक वन एग्जाम्पल. आप भी देख लो, आप बिस्तर पे सोए हो, आप डरे हुए हो. व्हेन यू गेट फ्राइटन यू विल स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. ओ माय गॉड, नो, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू से दैट. आप ऐसा नहीं बोलोगे, आप मम्मी बोल के चिल्लाओगे इन योर ऑन लैंग्वेज. यस, so in times of difficulties a person always speaks in his own mother tongue. yes, बीरबल ने ये कहा अकबर से कि महाराज, कठिनाई के समय पे या दुविधा के समय में एक व्यक्ति हमेशा अपनी मातृभाषा बोलता है, चाहे वो बहुत बड़ा विद्वान ही क्यों ना हो. चाहे बहुत बड़ा विद्वान ही क्यों ना हो, वो दुविधा के समय, कठिनाई के समय वो अपनी मातृभाषा मदर टंग को ही बोलता है. नेक्स्ट. He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth, and he also narrated the story about how he went to the Pandit's room that night to find out the truth. महाराज को बीरबल ने ये भी बताया कि उस रात क्या हुआ था, और बीरबल उस रात को उसके रूम पे गया था, वो सारी कहानी उसने बताई. तो इन दिस स्टोरी स्टूडेंट्स वी कैम टू नो दैट हम कितने भी पढ़े लिखे क्यों ना हो जाए, या हम बहुत विद्वान ही, स्कॉलर ही क्यों ना हो जाए, हाईली एजुकेटेड पर्सन ही क्यों ना हो जाए, पर हमें ये पता चला कि इन टाइम्स ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज वी विल ऑलवेज स्पीक आवर मदर टंग. राइट? एम आई राइट स्टूडेंट? यस, मैं महाराष्ट्र में, मुंबई में रह के आया हूँ. यस, बट इन टाइम्स ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज ना आई स्पीक इन भोजपुरी. राइट नाउ यू, many of you may be speaking in Marathi and Punjabi and all other languages, right? So whenever it's time is there, it will be very hard to find out whether I am from UP or from Maharashtra. मैंने कहा ना कि मैं मुंबई रह के आया हूँ. Yes, so can you find out my mother tongue now by my language? It's possible for you? हाँ, no, it's not possible. वो तो मैंने बता दिया. It's I told you, no, but it is very difficult through my language to find out whether I can speak English fluently, and it is possible that I am from UP and I speak Bhojpuri. No one. So, but at time of difficulties, I will speak in Bhojpuri, right? In times of difficulty, कठिनाई के समय मैं भी अपने मदर टंग में ही बात करूंगा. So here the Pandit, while he was sleeping, Birbal, what he did, he took one feather and tickle का मतलब गुदगुदाना, उसके कान में गुदगुदाया. ओके, और वो पता है आधा सोया हुआ, what he said, he started speaking in his own mother tongue. So this was the story, students. Now let me read the whole story once again. Look carefully. The scholar's mother tongue is the name of the chapter, and let us see the reading practice. Let us see reading. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. When everyone felt, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. That night, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. The Pandit half awake, the Pandit half awake, cried out suddenly and shouted words in his mother tongue. Birbal came to the court the next day and told everyone that the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. King Akbar then asked Birbal, "How did you find out the truth?" Birbal answered, "In times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue." He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth, and it's adapted from a story of Akbar and Birbal. Fine students, now let us come to some of the hard words. Look here. What do you mean by scholars? Scholars means highly educated persons. बहुत ही पढ़ा लिखा व्यक्ति को हम scholars कहते हैं. What do you mean by mother tongue? The languages that we speak at home from our childhood. Means from childhood, the language which we use at home, that is called mother tongue. What do you mean by learn? Learn means having acquired much knowledge through study. पढ़ाई लिखाई के जरिए हम बहुत सारी ज्ञानों को अपने पास बटोरते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड लर्न, मींस विद्वान या ज्ञानी. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट डू मीन बाय विजिटेड. विजिटेड, लुक हियर स्टूडेंट, विजिटेड मींस टू गॉन टू सी एंड स्पेंड टाइम, मतलब हो आना, भ्रमण करना. व्हाट डू मीन बाय कोर्ट? कोर्ट मींस अ प्लेस वेयर क्राइम्स आर जज. एक ऐसी जगह जहां गुनाहों को जज किया जाता हो. क्राइम, कोर्ट. Okay, what do you mean by court? A place where crimes are judged, means darbar. Courtiers means an advisors to the king or queen, yani darbari. What do you mean by mastery? Mastery means having skill in many languages or having skill in a particular subject or activity. Yes, next means shrestha. Shrestha. Language. What do you mean by language? I have given you in my last chapter also. Language means dialect. Dialect means bhasa ya boli. Language means bhasa ya boli. Fluently, an ability to express easily. Fluently means an ability to express something, to speak something fluently, easily, बिना रुकावट के बोलना. Challenge. What do you mean by challenge? Challenge means something that put you to test. एक ऐसी चीज जो आपको टेस्ट करने पे मजबूर करता हो, उसे हम चैलेंज कहते हैं. मींस चुनौती. What do you mean by whispered? I told you while explaining the chapter. Whispered. Whispered means what? To speak very softly or in low tone. धीरे से बोलना. To speak very softly. धीरे धीरे बोलना. Okay. What do you mean by feather? One of the many soft light parts covering a bird's body. Covering a bird's body. Means per. Means per. Next, tickle. Tickle means a light touch that makes you laugh. एक हल्की सी छुअन जिससे आपको हंसी आ जाए. यस, हल्के से कान में गुदगुदाओगे तो आपको हंसी आएगी. मीन्स अ लाइट टच, एक हल्की छुअन जिससे हंसी आ जाए. दैट इज कॉल्ड टिकल. मीन्स गुदगुदी करना. सरप्राइज मीन्स स्टन, हैरान रहना. सरप्राइज. एक्सेप्टेड, एग्रीड, स्वीकार्य यानी स्वीकार करना. नेक्स्ट, इरिटेटेड, showing slight anger, चिढ़ा हुआ. Fine. Okay, students, this was our chapters, and tomorrow we will move on to the exercises. That reading is fun. Students, now for today, I think it's okay. Now it's your time. If you have a doubt, you can ask some questions from me. Thank you very much.